Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, health, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. I love you guys. So I'm gonna put my social media somewhere here on my side. If you don't follow me there yet, you can follow me on IG or on TikTok and comment on one of my posts so I can follow you back. Okay, so today's video a little tricky because we're going to be reviewing couple of photo booth. I don't know if you know what it is. It's like a box with lights that you buy for shoot product or object inside. So I have one small one that I'm gonna show you guys. So the brand is FOSITAN. I think this is the name, FOSITAN. I'm not sure. FOSITAN. So I think this is the name of the box. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick a small one that I have, so you have idea what I'm talking about. So this is the box here. This is a small one that I have. You guys know because I review on this channel, and you put the product here. They have lights and then you shoot and the picture look beautiful. The one that we reviewing now, it's huge. So I have two. I have a medium and a big one. So I'm going to put a little video here for you guys, show what came in the box, which each one of the box, because I don't know if I can show you now. So I'm gonna put them together. You just watch me. I'm gonna put some music and fast forward the video, all right, so we can see how we put this together. Then I show you guys the end results on the end of this video, all right? And you can find this box on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link for FOSITAN. I think that's the name of the brand here if you guys decide to give them a try. They do have different sizes for this photo booth box, and I love them. They are, if you do YouTube like me or the social media, you need to shoot products or shoot things, so if you have a business, this is perfect for that. Fabulous, love it. So see you in a little bit. I'ma just keep buying everything, see you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. So finally I got to finish putting the big box together. Ooh, sorry for the mess around with this package here that I am working with. Alright, so I put it inside the box something so you guys could have like you know, more or less knowledge of the size. So I have a little one that I told you guys that I have. It's off because it's not the same brand, but this brand also have a small one, I think. And so you can see the medium size, so you can fit like a large bag in, or you know, some object that size. And the big box, I have a carry-on inside, so you guys can have a little idea of the size of object that you actually can shoot inside the box. So the box are gorgeous, beautiful. So I'm gonna come close so you guys can see from the top. So the top here, you have this little hole that if you want you can use to shoot. So if you wanna lay down, whatever is that you're doing. And here you have the wire. You guys have the control. This one you have a dimmer here where you turn the light on and off. You can turn up and down, change light. And there is the control for the big box in the back there too, that you can make brighter or a little less. So that's what this one look inside. So I have a carry-on in there, and it's still have still little space on the top, so you could have an even higher object shoot in this box. So I'll show you inside where the lights is. So that's how the lights for this one is, and the same as the small one. If you want to shoot from the top, you can. So you have a hole here where you can put your camera and shoot the object. In this case, if you want to shoot from the top, you want to lay the object down. So all right, so that's it. That is the brand right here, and the box are great. So I just put them here for now because I'm actually like moving stuff around my studio. So I'm gonna find a corner to keep both of them, so when I need to shoot they are there. And I put a beige background this one and a white one on this one, because normally I use a white background more for shoot. All right guys, so that's it. I just show you guys a little video of the box close, because in the camera you see the light is too bright, so you cannot actually see good. So I give you what the shot of the box are great. They are beautiful. They are very, very useful for me that I shoot products and things all the time. So I love them. I hope they had one bigger needs one that could fit me in. So just kidding. Wow, would be a great idea. But I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to have the link for the seller on Amazon for this brand, if you guys are interested in them. And like I showed you guys in the beginning, the big one come in her carry bag. If you want to take her around, you can use your carry bag and fit her in here. And they all come with extra background paper. They are up there. If you can see, the red one is the background sheet for the big box, and the one on the table is the one for the smaller box. So they have like I don't know if it's more than 5 or something like that. I'm gonna take a shower because I'm sweating. It's hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video review. Let me know what you guys thought of this beautiful photo boot or photo box. Like I say, links on the description of this video for the Amazon seller for this brand. Here's the brand again, FOSITAN. I don't know if that's exactly how to spell, but thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys a lot. I see you guys next video, and let me know what else you'd like to see review on this channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.